Hey everybody, today I'm going to make another unboxing, but this time of a toy that you guys are really going to like, and it's Skylanders Swap Force. It's Trigger Happy Springtime Edition, or it's a Easter special, or springtime, whatever you call it. And well, it's pretty cool compared to the regular ones. Pink, or actually purple, and you can place it on the portal of power, and then it goes to the TV and you can play on it with the Wii U. And then we are going to open it. Here it is. Let me just... Okay, finally an adult got it out, and it's like an Easter-shaped rocket ship with like a on it, and which it shoots out. It has guns. This is the sticker of Springtime Trigger Happy. No code, but here's the card. Kind of shiny. And then you can see it has guns and a rocket ship like I already said, but it looks a little bit more realistic this time. And I'm going to show you. You see this? I am going to show you what they are, and which they are. They tell you how much power it has, armor, speed, and luck it has. 100 power. It has 30 shield. For speed it has 70, and for luck it has 120. It's probably because it's an Easter or springtime edition. That's why it has a lot of luck. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'm also going to make other videos of other stuff like walkthroughs as well, and some movies that I do, and TV stuff, and lots of other stuff, and some how I play sometimes, or draw, or write, or whatever I do. Bye! One thing that I forgot to tell you, if you're going to buy a Skylanders Swap Force Special Edition toy, one thing is that you don't see any special edition ones right here. And that's something that I don't get. If they're going to make special Skylander toys and stuff like that, I recommend them doing the special edition ones on the poster as well. That's it. Bye.